Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Kimmy. Today we're going to show you how to cook chicken noodle mixed with spicy sauce. I will show you all the ingredients. Let's start. Slice the chicken breast to half. And then cut it straight. Just like that. Pour a 90-degree or 80-degree hot water into the noodle and then separate them and takes 3 minutes, and then you got to drain it away. Marinate the chicken now. So a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper and teaspoon of corn flour. And then tablespoon of white wine, and give them a good mix. And also we put a teaspoon of cooking oil. Leave it for half an hour before we cook. So we need some spring onion and 1 shallot, cucumber in slice, and garlic, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of chili bean, and a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a teaspoon of sesame oil, and 3 spoons of cooking water. Heat up the pan for 1 minute and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So now we add the chicken in, and we separate the chicken first. And you can let it fry for one side, or you can stir it. I just make sure they separate it. Add the garlic in. We add shallot in as well, and give them a good fry. Add the chili bean now. So give them a really good stir and get out the flavor of chili bean. Just give them a good fry. And add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Give them a good stir again. Mix them well. And pepper, pinch of pepper. A tablespoon of soy sauce. And give them a good fry again. And a teaspoon of sesame oil. And 3 tablespoons of water. So just give them a bit stir until you can see the sauce stick with the chicken. That will be done. taste it now, see it's nice or not. If it's not salty, you can put more salt in or a bit more spicy. Put the chicken top of the noodle. Add the cucumber in. And also a spring onion for the decoration. And thank you for watching it. Please give us a like and subscribe our channel.